Hello, ladies and gents. This is calculating relative frequencies in a contingency table. And when you see frequencies, you know it means how many times a value appears, how frequent a value appears. So that is something we already know, but relative frequencies, you have to ask yourself, relative to what? Relative to what? And okay, let's see what my problem says. What is the relative frequency of individuals in the sample? I mean, relative to the sample in the sample who smoke. So the sample is all the values, and people who smoke is only this row, right? Because we have people who smoke, who doesn't smoke, and then that information is split up into the parents' smoking habits. So we have, well, 17 plus 50 plus 33 divided by the whole number of values in the sample, that is 185. That number is in here. So I'm going to use my calculator to do that operation. So it is 17 plus 50 plus 33 divided by 185. I put an additional one that shouldn't be there. And round up your answer to the nearest, at least 2 decimal places. So I have 0.54. Another thing to notice is that this is not in the percentage notation, but in decimal notation. Decimal notation. It is exactly the same thing, but we're not using the percentage notation. If we would have used the percentage notation, it would have been 54%. But in decimal notation is 0.54, a number lower or smaller than 1. That's it. Thank you.